Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great holiday season. I wish everyone a happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for 2023 that will bring everybody wellness and happiness to their lives. Here is a cardigan that I'm knitting. It's 100% wool. Just wanted to show it because I did block it, so the front is pretty. When you block it, of course, the stitches shows up, right? And this cardigan reminds me of Christmas, the Christmas tree. With the colors, yeah. I just need lights to decorate it. Well, again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you the best. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a video you will be notified. If you want to listen to the music, you can go to my Instagram page or my TikTok. Due to copyright, I closed it.